This is a visual guide to using the IBM SevOne must-gather script. During the course of a support case, you may be asked to run the must-gather script in order to gather additional logs and information about a problem. A link to the must-gather guide will be provided in the support case that points to the IBM SevOne support article, How to Collect Technical Evidence on SevOne NMS Appliances. This has everything you need to gather the logs, and I will be walking through the process in this video. The link for the latest version of the must-gather script will be provided in the article, here. Download the file to your computer. Verify the file integrity with the SHA-SUM command. Note that the SHA results is Charlie Delta 8 Echo 5 and so on and so forth. This matches the SHA results we are expecting, so this file is intact. Then you want to upload the file to the root directory of the appliance that requires diagnosis. Then we'll log into that appliance. And we'll verify the file integrity here as well. Yeah, the file is still intact. For ease of use, we're going to set a variable where we're going to log the script's execution. We can verify that variable by echoing $log file. This is where the file is located that will be logging the results of the script execution. Then we're going to extract and move the support toolkit files to the appropriate location with this command. This script collects general system data by default, but it also has the ability to collect additional targeted data by using modules. A list of currently supported modules is in the support article. For example, alerts, MySQL, different parts of the product beyond the default. In order to run the typical default log collection, we're going to use this command. The SevOne act support collect command gathers the basic diagnosis logs. The 2 to &1 pipe T, this is what logs the results of the script collecting the information, just in case we want to review that. Afterwards, we're going to want to collect our log file here. And when the script is done executing, it also tells you where the collected files are. We're going to want to retrieve this file as well. To make this easier, I'm going to move this log file to the root directory of my appliance. Now I can exit, pull those files locally to my machine. I now have these two files. I can attach them to the support case, and we can proceed with diagnosing the issue. Thank you.